Hey, guitar player. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic, let me work my magic. Watch me backflip, watch me backflip. Let me work my magic. If you only knew how to laugh and dance, whether you're a pancakes or waffles, man, we still got our
Hello everyone, my name is Conrad and this is my assistant Alina. And today we'll be cooking one of my family favorite recipes. We will be cooking BowTie pasta. For this recipe you'll need Parmesan cheese, BowTie pasta, small onion, some crushed tomatoes, mild Italian sausages, basil, garlic, and then some whipping cream. Some of the supplies you'll need is measuring cups, a cutting board, 2 knives, and then 2 pots over there. Alright, before we prepare our dish, we'll wash our hands for 20 seconds. Make sure you have soap and water, and just sing the ABCs twice and you'll be good. First you're going to boil some water, about 10 cups, and you'll add a little bit of salt and oil just to make sure the pasta doesn't stick. While the water is boiling, you're going to cut up a small onion and then the 2 cloves of garlic. Alright, while the water is boiling, we're going to be cutting up some of our vegetables first. Alina, would you mind helping me with the garlic and I'll cut the onion? Now we've cut the garlic and the onion, all we have to do is just take the Italian sausages and take them out of the package and then cut them, and then what you'll do after that is you'll take these onions and then the Italian sausage and then put it on another pot. Alright, now we have everything cut up, you'll add the onion to another pot on medium-high, and then you'll take the Italian sausage.
Go.
Alright, now we've put everything in the pot, we're just gonna keep stirring this away and just making sure it doesn't get stuck, and then wait for the sausages to brown, and also cutting it up as you go. So as Alina is going to just smash everything together and kind of mix it around, we're going to start on our pasta now. And just obviously put the 1 box in, and then obviously you're just going to stir that a bit as we wait for it. So now we're just stirring and just making sure it's not sticking to the pot in any way, shape, or form. And now we just wait till the pasta boils. So now we have our meat cooked and the pasta's still cooking as well. Now we'll put our garlic, our tomato sauce, and the whipping cream into the pot of meat. Scoop it in there. Alright. And then 1/4 cup of whipping cream will go in here. Now, this is where we just put this on low, mix this in here, and obviously I do pasta as well. Alright, and while you're stirring it, this is where you add your basil in. This will melt by itself, so even though it looks big now. So now it's just keeping stirring and then obviously eyeing the pasta, which should now be done. So now this is done. Alright, so now we have our pasta fully cooked. Now we'll just strain it. Just make sure you pour it away from you and make sure that you try to avoid getting squashed all you can. Oops. Alright, now that we have drained the pasta, we have put it in here, and now we're just stirring up the pasta with the sauce to make sure that it is combined and well. Obviously, I might lose some, especially with the size of the pot. Maybe we didn't. But after this, just stir in for the pasta, just making sure that all the noodles are well covered up. Alright, once you done stirring your pasta, you just have to let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes so you don't burn yourself. But after that, it's adding Parmesan if you want to. But that's really optional once you have it on your plate. And that's really it. After you're cooled down to 5 to 10 minutes, you can just serve yourself and enjoy.
Hey, guitar player.